Hi guys, welcome to making slime part. I'm making opening slime part 2. So my slime has sit out for a while and it still hasn't dried.
So I just kept asking and asking. Finally, Daddy just thought maybe a couple of weeks will do it.
By the way, I'm obsessed with slime, if you didn't know that.
In the last 2 years.
So yeah, I make it all the time. I've been trying to make it every day. And my mum and dad started to get annoyed with it. Well, I haven't started to. Like, I've been making slime for ages. Most of the time, it never works, but some of the time it does. Most of the time, it actually does. When we do that, it looks so clear.
Wow, excellent! This is my school in County Armagh. Everyone is so supportive of me. Your shoes, are they actually real? Yeah, but they're blunt. Oh, they're not sharp.
But like, do you remember you were friends got taught where you like, oh my god, I'm actually here?
Yeah,
Like, and I'm seeing it, I'm like, this is so weird.
yeah. I live with my mummy, my daddy, and my 3 sisters. Sugar Ray, she's 4, she's nuts. Rockaloo, she's 11 months, and she's just adorable. My sister Molly May, she's 8. In the middle of my training, maybe Molly May would start singing or dancing or something like that. I would like help her do sit-ups and her pull-ups and like help her do her training.
I'm addicted to this channel's TV. Sorry, I haven't been speaking for a while. I'm putting my slime back now. It might dry up. This is farty slime.
To become a world champion in martial
My
arts,
dog's
you
watching
need
me.
other sports too. I do trampolining
Yeah.
and gymnastics. It helps me with fitness.
Bye guys! And I'm not doing a part 3. 3, 2, 1.